Hey everyone, and welcome to this walkthrough of the DAGO Express app. Whether you're just getting started or want a refresher, I'll guide you through how the app works, especially what happens when an order is accepted and in progress. Let's jump right in. Welcome to the home screen, your command center. On the top left, you'll find the support icon. Tap this anytime you need urgent help or have questions. Just below, you'll see your current location, essential for route tracking and job planning. Make sure location access is enabled in your settings. On the bottom right, there's a section called Orders in Progress. Here, you'll see jobs you've accepted but haven't completed yet. Tap any order to view more details. Now let's go to the bottom navigation menu. You'll find 5 main sections in this menu. First is Home, where you can see the overview of orders and app status. Second is My Loads, where you'll track accepted, completed, canceled jobs, and your offers which are ongoing, rejected, or pending. Third is Find Loads. You can search for available jobs here. After entering specific criteria, suitable transport offers are shown, and you can submit an offer. Fourth, Earnings. A transparent overview of your personal income is shown. It can either be daily, weekly, or monthly overview. Last is Profile. On the profile is where your personal settings can be seen. This section also includes access to the referral program, the guides and frequently asked questions, and the access to the driver shop. And that's it. That was the full walkthrough of the DAGO Express app. We built it for simplicity, clarity, and to support you every step of the way.
DAGO Express.